Learning the alphabet and basic pronunciation is the very first step in your English learning journey. Just like a building cannot stand without a strong foundation, your English skills will not be strong unless you master the alphabet and the sounds of each letter. The English alphabet has 26 letters, and they are divided into two types, vowels and consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These letters are very important because almost every English word has at least one vowel. The other 21 letters are consonants, such as B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. When you are learning the alphabet, it is not enough to only recognize the letters in written form. You must also learn the correct pronunciation of each letter. For example, the letter A is pronounced as A, B is B, and C is C. This will help you when you spell words or try to understand someone spelling a word to you. Pronunciation is equally important. Many English learners can read words but struggle to pronounce them clearly. For example, the letter C can sound like K in cat or S in city. The letter G can sound like G in go or J in giant. These small differences can confuse beginners. That is why practicing pronunciation from the very beginning will save you from future mistakes. A great way to practice pronunciation is to listen to native speakers. You can use free online dictionaries with audio features. When you search for a word, you can hear how it is pronounced in both British and American English. Repeat after the audio several times until your mouth feels comfortable saying the sound. Another tip is to practice phonics, which means connecting letters with their sounds. For example, A as in apple, B as in ball, C as in cat, D as in dog. If you repeat this daily, your tongue and mouth muscles will slowly get used to English sounds. Remember, English pronunciation may feel strange at first because it is different from your native language, but with daily practice, it will become natural.